sure that I have a sword and shield in my hand. Welcome, welcome. What can I get you information on? Right? Not how are you doing? Not can I offer you a beverage? Not how's it going? Not how, for sure, not how can I help you? Because when you say how can I help you, they're going to go, we're all good. We're just poking around. Love the big board here, right? But when you say, what can I get you information on? Even when they're poking the board, right? They're going to start telling, well, you know, we were interested in possibly looking at, when you say possibly looking at a place, what's going on? What's your biggest reason for moving, right? And then right with your thing, it's amazing, right? You're going to become Sigmund Freud, the therapist, and you're going to start to write things down. Eventually, their attention is going to come over to you because you're writing down what they say. The board's not doing that, right? When you say you want a bigger place, are you looking for like more of a front yard situation or a backyard situation? Oh, definitely backyard. Why is that, right? Like we like to do entertaining. Mike's got one of these Traeger grills with the pellets and he thinks he's going to win some sort of ribeye contest. And so are you looking, you definitely want to put the grill outside? Do you want to do an outdoor kitchen? What's your thoughts there? Right now you're just having a better conversation. It all starts from what's in your hands. Because if you don't have anything in your hands, you're both going to naturally be staring at that board. Right? I'm fine with the board. Let them stand by the board. You just use your sword and shield and stand next to them.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you.
My pleasure. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends. And it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.